Today we have to solve a new example of vertical circular motion. The example is like this. A bob of mass 0.1 kilogram is attached to a lightweight rigid rod of length 1 meter and revolved in a vertical circle. Calculate the minimum tension and velocity at top position, low position and middle position. Given quantities, mass of the bob m is equal to 0.1 kilogram, length of the rod, that is the radius of vertical circular motion, r is equal to 1 meter, and acceleration due to gravity g is equal to 10 meter per second square. आजचे उदाहरण हे व्हर्टिकल सर्क्युलर मोशनचे नवीन उदाहरण आहे. व्हर्टिकल सर्क्युलर मोशन म्हणजे काय? द मोशन इन अ व्हर्टिकल प्लेन इज कॉल्ड एज व्हर्टिकल सर्क्युलर मोशन. यापूर्वीच आपण एक व्हिडिओ पाहिलेला आहे, व्हर्टिकल सर्क्युलर मोशन ऑफ अ बॉब अटॅच्ड टू अ स्ट्रिंग लाईक दिस. पण आज जे आपण उदाहरण पाहणार आहोत त्यामध्ये एक बॉब आहे, bob attached to a lightweight rod and it is revolved in a vertical circle like this. या दोन उदाहरणांमध्ये नेमका काय फरक आहे हे जाणून घेण्यापूर्वी ज्यांनी या स्ट्रिंगचा व्हिडिओ जर पाहिला नसेल तर तो पहिल्यांदा पाहून घ्या. स्ट्रिंग जर व्हर्टिकली रिव्हॉल्व होत असेल तर लूपिंग द लूप कंडिशनसाठी आपल्याला या बॉबला टॉप पोझिशनला मिनिमम व्हेलॉसिटी देणं गरजेचं असते. जर आपण तेवढी व्हेलॉसिटी याला देऊ शकलो नाही तर हा बॉब लूप कंप्लीट करू शकणार नाही आणि व्हर्टिकल सर्क्युलर मोशन आपल्याला पाहायला मिळणार नाही. परंतु या ठिकाणी या रॉडमध्ये हा रॉड रिजिड असल्यामुळं टॉप पोझिशनला मिनिमम व्हेलॉसिटीची आवश्यकता नाही. अगदी व्हेलॉसिटी 0 जरी असेल तरीसुद्धा हा बॉब जो आहे तो लूपिंग द लूप कंडिशन सॅटिस्फाय करू शकतो. परंतु या ठिकाणी ॲट द टॉप पोझिशनला ह्या रॉडमध्ये टेन्शन असते, मिनिमम टेन्शन. आपल्याला आजच्या उदाहरणामध्ये ह्या बॉबची 3 पोझिशनला म्हणजे टॉप पोझिशन, लोएस्ट पोझिशन आणि मिडल पोझिशनला मिनिमम व्हेलॉसिटी आणि मिनिमम टेन्शन किती असावं जेणेकरून लूपिंग द लूप कंडिशन ही सॅटिस्फाईड होईल हे आपल्याला काढायचं आहे. ज्यांना आणखी एक्स्ट्रा न्यूमरिकल्स पाहिजे असतील अशा प्रकारचे त्यांनी या व्हिडिओच्या डिस्क्रिप्शनमध्ये जाऊन दिलेल्या लिंकमध्ये फॉर्म भरावा. आजच्या एक्झाम्पलचा डाटा आहे. मास ऑफ द बॉब 0.1 kilogram, radius of the circular orbit 1 meter, acceleration due to gravity 10 meter per second square, and we have to find tension and velocity at the top position, tension and velocity at the lowest position, tension and velocity at the middle position. सुरुवातीला आपण याचे डेरिवेशन्स तयार करूया. असं गृहीत धरा की या बॉबची एक आर्बिटरी पोझिशन आहे ॲट ॲन अँगल थीटा विथ द व्हर्टिकल लाईक दिस. ॲट दिस पोझिशन द बॉब इज ॲक्टेड अपॉन बाय 2 forces when it is revolved in a vertical circle. One is the tension which is directed toward the center of the circle and another one is vertically downward, that is the weight of the bob. हे दोन फोर्सेस आपण या ठिकाणी दाखवणार आहोत. दिस वन इज द वेट mg and this one is the tension in the string. The tension in the string is directed towards the center of the circle. Now this weight mg is resolved into two components. One is opposite to the tension. This component is mg cos theta, and another component is tangent to the circle perpendicular to the tension, that is mg sin theta. Now this component mg cos theta and tension together provides the necessary centripetal force, and this mg sin theta gives the tangential acceleration. Due to this mg sin theta, as it provides the tangential acceleration opposite to the direction of the motion, therefore it affects the vertical circular motion. When it goes from low to top position, the velocity decreases. म्हणजे हा जर बॉब खालून वर जात असेल तर mg sin theta मुळे त्याची वेलोसिटी कमी होते, परंतु टॉपकडून लो पोझिशनला येत असताना हा mg sin theta मुळे याची वेलोसिटी वाढते. Now from the figure, the necessary centripetal force is provided by T minus mg cos theta. So T minus mg cos theta is equal to mv square upon r. Now to find the tension and velocity at the top position. At top position, at the top position for looping the loop, at the top position for looping the loop, it is not necessary to have minimum velocity. म्हणजे टॉप पोझिशनला वेलोसिटी 0 जरी असेल तरी हा बॉब हा सर्क्युलर मोशन या ठिकाणी निर्माण करू शकतो. म्हणून टॉप पोझिशनला आपण मिनिमम वेलोसिटी घेऊ शकतो. व्ही मिनिमम इज इक्वल टू 0. टॉप पोझिशनला थीटा असतं. थीटा इज इक्वल टू 180 डिग्री. कॉस 180 इज इक्वल टू -1. So putting this value in the above equation, we get tension at the top position Tt minus mg into cos of 180 is equal to m upon r, and velocity at the top position is 0. Tt minus mg cos of 180 is -1, so multiplied by -1 is equal to 0, or Tt minus into minus is plus mg is equal to 0, or tension at the top position is equal to minus mg. So we have find the values of tension at the top position and the minimum velocity at the top position to satisfy the looping the loop condition. ह्या व्हॅल्यूज आपण इथे साईडला लिहून घेऊया. V at the top position is equal to 0 and tension at the top position is equal to minus mg. या फॉर्म्युल्यामध्ये जे मायनस साइन आहे हे दाखवते आपल्याला वेट इज डायरेक्टेड व्हर्टिकली डाउनवर्ड अँड टेन्शन व्हर्टिकली अपवर्ड. At the top position, the tension is directed vertically upward direction. Now at the lowest position, at lowest position, using the conservation of energy, the total energy at the lowest position is equal to total energy at the top position. Total energy is the sum of kinetic energy and potential energy. Therefore kinetic energy is half m VL square and potential energy at the lowest position is 0. Total energy at the top position is half m Vt square and the potential energy at the top position is 2 mgr. This is because potential energy is equal to mgh. Now taking the height as 2 times the radius, potential energy is equal to mg into h is equal to r plus r, therefore it is 2r, and potential energy is equal to mg 2mgr. Therefore the potential energy at the top position is 2mgr. Now at the top position velocity Vt is equal to 0. Therefore putting this value we get half m Vl square is equal to 2mgr because Vt is equal to 0. Multiplying by 2 we get m Vl square is equal to 4mgr. mm cancel, we get Vl square is equal to 4 into gr, or Vl is equal to square root of 4gr, or Vl is equal to square root of 4 is 2 into square root of gr. Now to find the tension at the lowest position using the above equation, T at the lowest position minus mg cos theta at the lowest position is 0 is equal to m Vl square upon r. Now putting the value as Vl is equal to 2 square root of gr, we get TL minus cos 0 is 1, TL minus mg is equal to m Vl square is 4 into gr divided by r. R gets cancelled, so we get TL minus mg is equal to 4 mg, and therefore TL is equal to 4 mg plus mg is equal to 5 mg. So we have find the two values Vl and TL which required for solving our example. Vl is equal to 2 root gr and TL is equal to 5 mg. Now at the middle position is also called as horizontal position. At middle position, using the conservation of energy, total energy at the middle position is equal to total energy at the lowest position. Now total energy at the middle position is sum of kinetic energy and potential energy. So Ke at the middle position plus potential energy at the middle position is equal to kinetic energy at the lowest position plus potential energy at the lowest position. Half m Vm square plus potential energy at the middle position. At the middle position the height is equal to r is equal to h, therefore potential energy mgh, mg into r. So we get potential energy at the middle position mgr is equal to kinetic energy at the lowest position half m Vl square plus potential energy at the lowest position is 0. Now putting the value of Vl, we know Vl is equal to 2 square root of gr. So we get 1 by 2 m Vm square plus mgr is equal to 1 by 2 m into Vl square is 4 into gr. m gets cancelled. Multiplying by 2, we get 2 by 2 is 1, Vm square plus 2 into gr is 2gr is equal to 2 gets cancelled, we get 4gr. So Vm square is equal to 4gr minus 2gr, or Vm square is equal to 2gr, or Vm is equal to square root of 2gr. Tension at the middle position can be calculated by using this formula. T minus mg cos theta is equal to m Vm square upon r. Now putting the value theta is equal to 90 degree at the middle position, and Vm is equal to square root of 2gr, we get Tm minus mg into cos 90 is 0, is equal to m Vm square is 2gr, Vm is equal to square root of 2gr, Vm square is equal to 2gr divided by r. R gets cancelled, so we get Tm is equal to 2mg. Now writing this equation here, Vm is equal to square root of 2gr and Tm is equal to 2mg. आता आपल्याला सर्व फॉर्म्युलेज मिळाले आहेत, तर आपण आपलं उदाहरण आता या ठिकाणी सहज सोडवू शकतो. सुरुवातीला आपण घेऊ टॉप पोझिशनला. ॲट टॉप पोझिशन we know Vt is equal to 0 and Tt is equal to minus mg. So putting the value, m is equal to 0.1 minus 0.1 into g is 10, so we get minus 0.1 into 10 is 1 Newton. At the lowest position, VL is equal to square root of gr, so putting the value 2 square root of value of g is 10 and r is equal to 1, so we get 2 root 10 meter per second. And tension at the lowest position is TL is equal to 5 times mg, or TL is equal to 5 into 0.1 into 10, so we get 5 Newton. At the middle position, Vm is equal to square root of 2gr is equal to square root of 2 into 10 multiplied by r is 1, so this is equal to square root of 20 meter per second. And tension at the middle position, Tm is equal to m into g. 2 into m is 0.1 and g is 10, so we get 2 Newton. So in this way we have found all the values, and these three positions, VL is equal to 2 root 10 meter per second, TL is equal to 5 Newton. At the middle position, Vm is equal to root 20 meter per second and Tm is equal to 2 Newton.